Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the call screening on your iOS 26. And first you need to open settings and scroll all the way down to apps right here. Now scroll down again till you see here, wait a moment, where is the letter P? Till you see phone. But of course you need to at first search for that, and I'm blind, so I can't see it very well. Here, P, phone, tap it, and now when you see it, you have to scroll all the way down. Here, screen unknown callers. If you set it to never, calls from unsafe numbers will ring and missed calls will be displayed on the recent list. If you tap ask reason for calling, your calls from unsafe numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. Calling and data rates may apply. And silence. Calls from unsafe numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Calling and data rates may apply. And actually, to use it, you just have to tap on each option you would prefer. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.